Hi viewers, welcome back to my channels. Today I am going to explain working lamp circuit. Before starting the video, it's my humble request, please subscribe this channel and share my videos to your friends. So let me start. As today's topic, as I told you, this is a today working lamp circuit. So before starting the explanations, I want to talk about the components which are used in this circuit. These are two relays. One is a front work lamp relay. Second one is a rear work lamp relay. These are the two switches. One is the front work lamp switch. This one is the rear work lamp switch. These two fuses, and this side you can see two lamps, and this side also two lamps. These are the rear lamp left and right. This is a front lamp left and right. These two also lamp. This lamp is for this switch. When this switch on, this lamp is lighting. This is also bulb of this switch indicate this switch is on. So this area you can see I write here from the small lamp circuit. So in my previous video, which its name is the small lamp and headlamp circuit. I already explained in that circuit. When we on the small lamp switch, and this power is also coming here. If the small lamp switch not on, power not coming here. So whenever you not small lamp switch on, the working lamp not working. So suppose our small lamp switch is on, so power is coming here. So now is power is here and also here. So these also two fuses. This also have power. When we on the machine, so power reaches here. So this front work lamps fuse gives the power to the this relay at pin number 3, and the rear work lamp, this one gives power to pin number 3 of this relay. So when power is coming this side, this side, and here, and from here power coming here, so no power is already stand here. When we switch on front work lamp switch on this one, so what happening, power through this switch reaches here, and this pin number 1 coming here, and pin number 2 is already grounded. So it's mean this relay become energized. When this relay become energized, then these two contacts closes. Then power is already here. This through this contacts reaches here, and power coming, current flowing this direction, and this light become on. It's mean switch on. Then this current passing from here to here, and our front both left and right lamps become on when this switch on through this. So current from this area through this one, through this relay reaching here, and this pin. Same way, when we on this switch, then current flow through this switch to the pin number 1 of this relay, and pin number 2 is already grounded. So in this way, this relay is energized. When this is energized, point number 3 and 5 become closes. So current is flowing to this direction, and also this sides. So this side, this bulb, yeah, this lamp become on. It's showing this switch is on. So when current is passing through these lamps, and this one side is already grounded, so it's mean this both lamps, rear both lamp left and right become on. So this is the small explanations about this circus. Hope you can clearly understand. If you don't understand, please write your questions or comments in the comment box. Then I will must reply you and clear your all the confusions. Thanks for watching video.